Are you looking for a window cleaning company that you can trust in and around your home? A company that shows up on time and does the job that they say they would do? My name is Andy. I'm the owner of Kahuna Window Cleaning. We've been serving the Minneapolis metro area since 2007. We're here today with one of our window cleaning crews. Let's take a look at our step-by-step process. Now, if you're a new customer, the first thing you'll need is a free estimate. This can be done in person, but the fastest way is using our online estimating tool or calling our office. If you want to get an estimate online or over the phone, we will need to know an accurate pane count. For example, this pair of double hung windows has 4 panes total, 1 upper pane and 1 lower pane on each window. The size of the pane doesn't matter, we just need the total number of panes. Next, you get to choose between our 3 window cleaning packages. Our basic window cleaning package includes outside only, our standard window cleaning package includes inside and out, and our deluxe window cleaning package includes screens, tracks, and inside and out. Let's have a look at this deluxe window cleaning job here in Minneapolis. If you choose to be home during your window cleaning, you'll get a friendly text notification when our crew is on their way. Once we arrive, our cleaners will politely introduce themselves to you and verify the job that is to be done. We'll have a quick walk around the outside of your house to make sure that the pane count is accurate before we begin the work. Whenever we go inside, we are always careful to take off our shoes at the door. We remove all the screens and we consolidate them outside. Then we clean them using our screen cleaner machine. This screen cleaner brushes the screens with a soft bristle brush and jets them with water at the same time. This ensures the best possible clean for your screens. Then we go inside and we open up the window, and using a unique track cleaner, we brush out the caked on dirt that gets built up in your windowsills. Then we use our battery-powered shop vac and remove all the loose debris in the track. After wiping down the windowsills once more with a damp towel, your sills are done. Last but not least, it's time to clean the glass. This can be done using a squeegee method or our pure water-fed pull system. On the inside windows, we use the squeegee method. We always make sure that we put down a drop cloth to make sure that we protect your windowsills and your carpet. On the outside windows, we may use the squeegee method or we may use our water-fed pull system, depending on what's right for your windows. When all the windows have been cleaned, our crew leader will offer to take a walk around with you and make sure that you're 100% happy with the results. If you're ready to book your appointment, don't wait. Our schedule does fill up fast. Go to our website to book online or give us a call at 612-888-5248. Talk to you soon.